Simple याद रखना. There is a machine. Say, that's a good idea. Grinder, flour grinder. Okay, आटा चक्की. ठीक है? Now, simple है. You have a input over here, and here you have a output. Got it? तो ये concept याद रखना so that it becomes very easy for you. Input है, output है, इतना याद रखना. Now, if I input wheat, I get wheat flour. If I input bajra flour, corn, yes, corn flour. Now, as you can see, this is your input and this is your output. For every element of input, there is a unique element of output. This is known as a domain and this is known as codomain. Got it? All of you understood this? Now, you can see a relationship between A and B. If I say it is A and this is B, so elements of A and elements of B, there is a unique relationship. Now, what happens? You have wheat, you have bajra, you have corn. Say here you also have rice, okay, as an input, but there is no corresponding output. In that case, we will say there is a relationship, but it is not a function. So function होने के लिए every element of input should have an element of output. Is this clear? Now, here you have wheat, you have bajra, you have corn, and here you have rice flour. Now what? यहाँ पे input नहीं है, पर output में options है. This is still a function. Is this clear? All of you जो कल absent थे उनको पता चला है सबको. Now, if this is domain, this is codomain, there is also a concept known as range. Now, what is the range over here? The range over here is wheat flour, bajra flour, corn flour. That is the range. Range can be codomain itself, अगर ये नहीं होता तो, or it is a subset of a codomain. Is this clear? Function denoted by small f, g, h, small alphabets of English. पता चल गया सबको? Okay. Apart from this, if we take some numbers, say this is A, set A, -1, -2, 0, -1, 0, 1, and 2, and set B is 0, 0, 1, and 4. That is a relationship. The relationship is f of x is equal to x square. पता चला सबको? It means if the input is -2, output क्या हो जाएगा? 4 हो जाएगा. So this is basically a function where elements of A are connected with elements of B with some rule. So -2, it is 4, 2, it is 4, -1, 1, 1, and 0 ka 0. All of you got a fair idea about it. Very easy chapter. Okay? Now, those who are absent, please write this. Okay? Even you all can write it because एक नया example है तो काम आएगा. I'll remove rice flour over here. having नोटेशन ऑफ फंक्शन जो कल एब्सेंट थे वो डायरेक्ट कंटिन्यू करना नोटेशन ऑफ फंक्शन लिखो if small f in italics is a function of set A to set B, then THEN it is shown as function from set A to set B. Set A to set B. This is the notation. Please don't do it. Set A to set B. Set A is a domain and set B is a codomain. Now, flip the page backwards 267 पे आ जाओ page 267 please mark first, second, third, fourth, fifth line range of a function is a subset or code of codomain or codomain itself. Range of a function is a subset of codomain or codomain itself. Write it over here. Range of a function is subset of codomain or codomain itself. We just discussed this in the example. You understood that example? We have wheat flour, we had bajra flour, we had corn flour, and we also had rice flour. But there was no input for rice flour, so the subset was wheat, corn, and bajra. Understood this? If rice was not given, then the complete codomain is the range. Understood this? Okay. It is denoted by capital R and small f. Capital R and small f. Page number 268. Illustration. Keep 1 or 2 pages blank for the remaining part. Illustration 2, page number 268. First, we have to obtain domain, codomain, and range. प्लीज ध्यान देना, रियली इंपॉर्टेंट। नहीं तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगा तुम्हें नेक्स्ट ईयर। और ये चैप्टर भी बहुत सिंपल है, एकदम सिंपल है। जस्ट डोंट हैव अ बायसनेस कि ये क्या है, ये इक्वेशंस है, नहीं आता है, बहुत सिंपल है। ध्यान देना प्लीज, ये बेसिक है ये चैप्टर का। नाउ फर्स्ट वन, फंक्शन set A to set B. You recite this when you write in your mind, you recite this, that function set A to set B. It will help you. Now, A is equal to -1, 0, 1. And B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. F of x, 2x plus 5. X belongs to A. Now we have to obtain what? We have to obtain domain, codomain and the range. Yani, we already know this is the domain, this is codomain, this is input and this is output, isn't it? So write down domain. A is equal to -1, 0 and 1. Codomain. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. X belongs to A. F of x is equal to 2x plus 5. So for x is equal to -1. F of -1 is equal to 2 into -1 plus 5 is equal to 3. X is equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to 2 into 0 plus 5, which is equal to 5. And x is equal to 1. F of 1, 2 into 1 plus 5, so which is equal to 7. Now you can see over here, we come back to our input-output concept. You can see for input -1, output is 3. -1, output is 3. For input 0, output is 5. And for input 1, output is 7. So what is the range? 3, 5 and 7. All of you understood this. Can I say it is a subset of codomain? Okay, write down. Range of function R of f is equal to f -1, f0, f1 is equal to 3, 5, 7. I hope now it's clear in your mind the concept. Okay, second. G, set A to set N. Now, what is N and all? Come to the formula page. We write what are various set. Write down set N is some set N is set of natural numbers. So N is equal to, you can also write set of positive integers. Set of positive integers. N is equal to okay. This is first. Second, set Z. Set Z is a set of positive and negative integers. So Z is equal to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Set Q set of positive and negative. You have to learn this, very important. Positive and negative integers and non-integers. Non-integers. So Q is equal to -3 -5/2 2 -3/2 -1 0 1 3/2 2 5/2 and set R, the last one, set of real numbers, that is rational and irrational. Now over here, what's the difference is R is equal to -3 -2 -1 0, say -1/2 0, then 1/2 1, then under root 2. So here you will have rational as well as irrational numbers as in the under root 2. You please remember this, because in the exam you will be given a question like this: set A to set N. So N में क्या आएगा you should know. So you remember this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, then negative as well as positive, then fractions, and then this under root. Set N, Z, Q and R. All of you have written this? Okay, let's start with the sum. Illustration 2. Function G. So G is a function from set A to set N. A is equal to -1, 2, 3 and 4. G of x is equal to 3x plus 5. X belongs to A. So your domain is domain A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3 and 4. Codomain set N, which is set of natural numbers. It's a linear set of natural numbers. So N is equal to 1, 2, 3. X belongs to A. G of x is equal to 3x plus 5. So for x is equal to minus 1, g of minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 plus 5. So is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. G of 2 is equal to 3 2 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. X is equal to 3. G of 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9 plus 5 14. And x is equal to 4. G of 4 3 4s are 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. All natural numbers. Range of function R G is 2, 11, 14 and 17 is a subset of codomain B. Answer. You have to find 1, 2 and 3. Remember like this. Domain, codomain and range. Now, the third one. Let's do the third one. H, function H. H is a function for set P to set S. Now P is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and S is equal to minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Hx is equal to x minus 2. X belongs to P. Very simple. You can try it on your own without making noise. Domain first. Set P is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. To codomain. s is equal to -4, -3, -2, -1. X belongs to P. X is equal to x minus 2. So for x is equal to -2, x is equal to -1, x is equal to 0, and x is equal to 1. -2 is equal to -4, or -2 minus 2 is equal to -4. H -1 is equal to -1, -2 is equal to -3. 0 is equal to 0, -2, -2. H of 1. 1 minus 2 is -1. So -1, -2, -3 and -4. Can I say the range and the codomain is the same? So range for function of x -4, -3, -2, -1. Okay, let's do the fourth sum. Function k. A tends to z. A is equal to -1/2, 0, 1/2, and k of x is equal to 4x squared plus 3. X belongs to A. So first, domain A is equal to -1/2, 0, and 1/2. Codomain is Z. Set of positive and negative integers. कोडोमेन में z में लिखना सेट ऑफ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स, ताकि तुम्हें याद रहे, अदरवाइज भूल जाओगे कि z क्या था. नाउ x belongs to A. K of x is 4x squared plus 3. For x is equal to -1/2. K -1/2 is equal to 4 -1/2 squared plus 3 is equal to 2 to the 4, 4, 4 cancel, -1, sorry, 4, that's right. -1 square will become +1, 1 plus 3, 4. X is equal to 0, K of 0 is equal to 4, 0 square plus 3, which is equal to 3, and x is equal to 1/2, 4, 1/2, also equal to 4. Possible? Yes. So range of function third, which is a subset of codomain, is a subset of codomain. Find the domain, codomain and range. Illustration 3 panel. Be careful, these are all tricky ones, that's why I'm doing it on the board. First one, function f is a function for set A to set n, where f of x is equal to x square plus 1 and A is equal to x, where x is greater than equal to less than 1 and 2, and x belongs to z, minus 2, sorry. Now how do you read this? X is greater than equal to minus 2 but less than 1, and x also belongs to z. What is z? Set of positive and negative integers. So we will say domain A is equal to, so minus 2 will come because it is equal to, then you will have 0, sorry, you will have minus 1, then you will have 0. You will have 1?
No.
Is this clear?
Yes.
So write the domain, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. Codomain n, set of natural numbers. So n is equal to 1, 2, 3. All positive, no 0. Got it? Now, first, second, third, range. Second, then x belongs to z. F of x, x square plus 1. So for x is equal to minus 2, f of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 square plus 1 is equal to 5. X is equal to minus 1, f of minus 1, minus 1 square plus 1 is equal to 2. X is equal to 0, f of 0 is equal to 0 square plus 1 is equal to 1. We got it what we wanted? Okay, so range of function f is equal to 1, 2, 5. If by solving the equation, if you got 0, then it is not a function at all, because your codomain में there should not be a, because it is what? It is n. Natural number is set of all positive integers. Got it? Okay. Next one. Second. F. Set Z to set N. Tricky one, important for exam. X square plus 2. X belongs to Z. Write down domain. Set Z. Set of, what is Z? Set of positive and negative integers. Although not given in the textbook, we'll write Z is equal to minus dot 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 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2, so that you remember this. You write, you remember, you write, you remember. When you go home, when you do this again, please write sincerely. Don't copy this homework. I'm telling you, don't copy this homework. Okay. Then, codomain. Set N, which is set of natural numbers, which is set of positive integers. So N is equal to 1, 2, 3, dot dot dot. X belongs to Z. X belongs to Z, so we can take any numbers from Z. Okay? F of X is equal to X square plus 2. Since it is X square, can I say any negative number from Z will result into output will always be positive. So let's check it out for 2, 3 numbers. X is equal to minus 2. F of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 square plus 2 is equal to 6. X is equal to 1. So 1. 1 square plus 2 is equal to 3. X is equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to 0 square plus 2, which is equal to 2. Therefore, range of function R of F is equal to, here we can write dot 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 F minus 2, F minus 1, F of 0, F of 1, F of 2, dash dash dash, which is here range of function itself is n equal to 1, 2, 3. So, yes, F of minus 2 will become a positive number. Third one. Now, third parallel, it's very simple. Function F. Set n to set n equals set n to set n. Set n to set n. F of x is equal to 4x. X belongs to n. So here, domain D of F is equal to n. You all know what is n now? Okay, but still write set of natural numbers. That is set of positive integers. Codomain, or we can write n is what? 1, 2, 3. codomain is also equal to n. You take domain as A is equal to codomain B as n. X belongs to n and f of x is equal to 4x. So for x is equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to 4 into 1. 4. X is equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to 4 into 2 is equal to 8. X 3, f of 3, 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Then, therefore, range of function is equal to f1, f2, f3, which is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. Right now.